Hello everyone, it's Giselle from Kids Yoga Stories. And in this video, I'd like to show you our brand new Kids Yoga Monthly to see if it's a good fit for you. So for the past 7 years, we've been offering digital content to your inbox through yoga stories and yoga books and other yoga resources. But this is a huge step for us to create a whole platform. And the reason we did this is because we want to make it easier for your planning so that you could see all your content all in one place and also give you a chance to connect with other people. So here's what it looks like. You've got a welcome message there. Our January theme is Habitat. And we've loaded up all of the content since January of 2024. So even if you sign up now, you're going to have all the content for the last year. So you've got all that content there and then all the different categories. So we've set this up so it's much easier to find things. So you've got how to get started. You've got some monthly themes. You'll see inside here all of the themes from 2024, for example. Then you've got all the decks that we've got here. Not all of our decks from the whole store, but the ones that are curated with the different themes. Breathing, mindfulness resources, our storybooks. And in our storybooks, we've also got the videos, the storytime videos that go along with it. So you've got everything there, super easy. And let's see what else we've got here. We've got the posters, the coloring pages, lesson plan ideas. We've got expert interviews as well, meditations. We've got lots of things for grown-ups and also your personal challenges. We also have a side menu here, so it's easier to find things. So you can just click down on cards. You can, for example, if you like this one, the Animal Rainforest Yoga, you can mark it as done that you've downloaded it, as well as save it over to your favorites as well. So you can be able to curating, seeing what you have already. The other thing too is a search bar. This is golden. So for example, say you're doing a lesson with toucans, for example. So you just search and all the details are going to come up here for all the resources that have that in it. So it's easy to find things, easy to search, and easy to add it to your favorites. All there. And then we've also got a community page. So easy to come off here. And you've got your Kids Yoga Monthly, all your content there, but we also have this separate community. It's a separate platform while we are answering questions, sharing ideas. We've got a community circle here. We've got introducing yourselves. One of the things that we find over the years of being together is that one of the most valuable things is being able to have time together and connect with people that are teaching similar things or from similar locations. And we'll be facilitating monthly live Zooms calls as well. And you can also watch the recordings. So you've got your favorite resources we talk about, some Q&A. We're sharing some interesting articles. So lots of different things here, ways that you can connect. So I hope that gives you an idea about what this is all about. And if you have any questions, please reach out to Giselle at kidsyogastories.com. And we truly hope to see you in the membership. We'd love to see you here. Thanks so much.